We have here our short part, short film, white molecular distillation system. The size of the system is a 0.5 m squared. It's a three-stage column where we have our first system being a heated tank for getting the material liquefied, because the material normally, after remaining from the extraction tanks, it becomes like jam or honey. It's thick. In order for the material to pass through the system, it has to be liquefied, like almost like water. So we then have the material into here. These tanks are heated. The heated system on this system is run with heated hot oil. Hot oil is being in the system, jacketed in this tank. We come in here with this material being very thin. Once the material has been thin, like liquefied, it's being transported by a pump into the degasser. The degasser also works with heat on the outside, and inside is cold. If you look carefully, there's cold traps to the back of it that control the system for the separation. The gas is being removed here, the degas. After the degasser is taking place, we move it into the first column. The first column, where the material is being delivered on top, pumping on top, it goes through the process of the distillation. Again, the inside is cold, the outside is hot. It's being removed, the good material comes out, this pipe out here comes to this tank. Whilst the material that is not good, or we say we can need a second pass, goes through this column, into this tank. So on this tank, we have good product that you can call distilled oil. Then we go to this tank, it's being material probably here have a little can redistill, continue the process. We continue there, the pump can see it pipe all the way up back to the second distillation storage tank. There's the same thing again. The good material comes out here, and to the last point, the material that is not good will go through this tank. Very simple process. This machine is, again, I say the 0.5 m squared. It inputs about 40 liters. It can vary on your output. It can be a 50-50%, 60-40, whatever it is based on the material you will get out. Again, on top you can see there is square boxes. Those are heater box, where the hot oil be the heater system. To the back of those there is wrong tanks. Those are the cold traps. This machine also comes with the vacuum system. It runs on the vacuum. Very high vacuum, 0.8 MPa vacuums. Hot oil and vacuum system and cold trap. All those come in a complete package for this short part distillation. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy.